Hurry up. Water's right there. He's using it for the screwdriver so he didn't mess it up.
Mm-hmm.
Tell him what you're doing.
Just making the grout and getting it ready so I can break the tile and place the other one. Make sure to bring all of these items from the list with you so you don't make any time-consuming and unnecessary trips. As we pay close attention to how careful you may be with these tools that you don't hurt yourself. First, put on safety glasses to protect your eyes from chips, dust, and then rake out grout and broken tile. Use carbine tripped scoring tool. Then apply just enough pressure to remove the grout and not as much that a slip will gouge the nearby tiles. Now working from the center towards the edges, gently tap out broken pieces of tile with a hammer or a narrow 3/8 or 1/4 inch chisel, which I don't have, so we're going to be using this and a rubber mallet. If you don't have a chisel, a cold chisel, or even a flat blade screwdriver, got one, will also do the job. Set the chisel at a 90-degree.
Well, let's break it first.
Which is like this. So let's take it. That'll slip off. Take it. Take out the broken pieces of the tile. Now here comes the fun part of chiseling it up. Take our mixed grout, lay it on there, and apply this tile. Take that.
That is not a hammer.
That?
No, it's a body hammer. It's got sand in it. If you guys are beating with that, you're going to flatten the rubber ends and that hammer's destroyed.
Alright, well, we're done with it already.
Were you beating with it?
He hit that like twice.
Bring it to me.
sliding. Here's that one. Right here, so.
Yeah.
We're gonna apply our mixed grout to the board.
I have to get my shoes on my tool.
Now we're gonna do is we're gonna take the tile. It's a little dirty. Fuck that tile's black. And then you just let it dry and there's your tile.